Hello and welcome to week 13. It's the second to last week for the semester. We are going to complete that outline in the project number 3 draft. I gave you the information about that in last week's video. I've given you a refresher in our review section this week, but please feel free to go to the review section for week 12 for additional assistance as well as a sample of project number 3 put together. Remember, once you've put all of those pieces together, you've got your project number 3 rough draft, but you might need to make some adjustments. Obviously, you have to move your conclusion. You might need to decide where that counter argument fits best. You will need to think about, maybe expanding the introduction and the conclusion because you've added the primary research portion, but you'll need to make those decisions. Once you've got it all together, remember the reverse outline simply asks you to, once it's all together, count the number of paragraphs that you have on a Word document, type out those numbers. So if you have 14 paragraphs, some of these, like I said before, are going to be the same for all of you because you'll explain the participant and the instrumentation and, the data collection period. But what is in that literature review will be specific to each of you. This will allow you to do a self-check. Once you read through these in order, do they make sense in this order? Or, for example, do you need to move paragraph number 4 up? You'll have to make that decision, make those adjustments, and then obviously make the adjustment in the outline and make the adjustment in the paper itself, and then submit your outline. All right. You'll also submit the project number 3 rough draft so that I can look through it and give you those final screencasts for the semester. So you will notice we've got staggered due dates this week. Your outline is due on Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Your project number 3 rough draft is due on Friday at 11:59 p.m. So please take note of those staggered due dates and make sure that you submit things on time so that you can get the feedback that you need as we head into the last week of the semester. If you have any questions, just let me know.